The phrase we are learning today is 全球, which means the globe or the whole world. The character 全 means whole or all, and 球 has the meaning of ball, sphere, earth, or the globe. Together, 全球 refers to something that is worldwide or encompasses the entire globe. For example, you may often hear the phrase 全球变暖 global warming. 全球变暖是一个严重的问题。Global warming is a serious issue. It is a challenge facing everyone across the globe. But temperature rise is only the beginning of global climate change, or 全球气候变化. The consequences of climate change now include intense droughts, water scarcity, severe fires, rising sea levels, flooding, melting polar ice, catastrophic storms, declining biodiversity, to name a few. Sustainable development is considered a key component in addressing and mitigating global climate change. Chinese culture places a high value on maintaining harmony between man and nature. It recognizes that humans are an integral part of nature and need to follow nature's course. 现在，全球光伏发电装机容量接近一半在中国。全球新能源汽车一半以上行驶在中国，全球1/4的新增绿化面积来自中国。China now has close to half of the world's installed photovoltaic capacity. Over half of the world's new energy vehicles run on roads in China, and China contributes 1/4 of increased area of afforestation in the world. As an English saying goes, we do not inherit the earth from our ancestors, we borrow it from our children. Protecting our earth and tackling global climate change requires the collective efforts of every individual. 全球 whole world or entire globe. 你学会了吗？